So this is the straight line coaster assignment, and just a brief explanation of what's supposed to happen in the tool paths that for the design that you have designed. This is my tree design, which I've demonstrated in class. Make sure that you also look at the PowerPoint to look at the details. This is the header up here, and then moving down to the line A, G90, G20 defines that we're on absolute coordinates and inch mode, though our feed rate is in millimeters per minute on the Laguna CNC router. First, we go up to a safe position before we turn on the spindle at 5,000 RPM. That's the M03S5000. And then we lower 0.2 above the material and then move over to where we're going to start at A to cut out the frame. And then right here, as we lower into the material at a feed rate of 5,000 millimeters per minute, negative a Z negative 0.0625. So then we increase the feed rate as we're cutting through the material at F7000, and then we go from A to B to C, or now it's C to D, back to A, and then we come out of the material to go to the next segment. And each time we come out of the material, you'll notice over here that we're at a G00, or when we're moving out of the material, because G00 is rapid. When we are actually cutting into the material, whether it's a plunge or a cut, then we change our feed rate right here. This is a plunge. That's a feed rate for cutting to the next point, and then we come out rapid again, go over rapid to the next point, plunge there, and then cut, come out, over, plunge, cut, and so forth. Now, when we get to the end of the program, let's speed this up here all the way down to the bottom. The tool comes, actually we'll go right here, okay? We're cutting out the coaster itself in 2 passes, so we don't break the 1/8 inch bit that we're using. And so the first depth is 0.12 right there, and then so we cut that, and then we plunge again to 0.24, a little bit deeper, and then when we're done, we come out at 0.2, go all the way up to 2 inches above, turn the spindle off, and we end the program at M02, and then the % sign means that there's nothing after that. So check out your program. Have any questions, just remember anytime we're going in and out of the material, we're changing from a G00 to G01 and coming back out with a G00 and going back in, always adjusting that feed rate depending on if we're plunging or cutting. G00 has no adjusted feed rate, it just is a preset feed for the machine, and that's anytime we're out of the material. So hopefully that helps. Make sure once again that you look at the PowerPoint in the lesson. Thank you.